In this video, I'm sharing 7 passive income ideas that are perfect for introverts like me. You can stay completely behind the scenes. Some of these ideas I've used myself, others I've seen work incredibly well for people in my community. Now, when I say passive income, I want to be realistic with you. Nothing is 100% passive from day one. You will need to put in work upfront to create these income streams. But once they're set up, they can generate money with a lower ongoing effort. Let's start with the most accessible option for beginners: digital products. So you will be creating and selling digital products. This includes ebooks, guides, planners, workbooks, checklists, and so on. This is probably the most introvert-friendly business model because you create everything once. You don't have to show your face to create them, and then you can sell unlimited copies without any additional work or talking to your clients. Think about problems that you have solved in your life, or maybe skills that you have that others want to learn about. Maybe you're great at organizing your schedule. Create a productivity planner. Maybe you figured out how to meal prep efficiently, then write an ebook about it. The key is to solve a specific problem for a specific group of people. And the beautiful thing about digital products is that you can create them using simple and free tools like Canva for design, or even just a Word document for ebooks. You don't need fancy software or technical skills, and the profit margins are incredible because once you created the product, there are no additional costs to deliver it to your customers. If you want to dive deeper into creating profitable digital products, I actually have a detailed video about this topic. I will link it in the description below and you can check it later after watching this video. The next idea is strategic affiliate marketing through content creation. Now, this isn't about throwing random affiliate links everywhere and hoping that something sticks. This is about creating valuable content that naturally incorporates products and services that you genuinely use and you recommend. As someone who's been doing affiliate marketing for many years, I can tell you that the key is to focus on products that align with your audience's needs and that you actually use yourself. For example, if you're in the productivity niche, you might recommend planning apps, organizational tools, or online courses about time management. The beauty of affiliate marketing for introverts is that you can do it entirely through written content or images. You can write blog posts, create Pinterest pins, or even send email newsletters. But these days, you're not limited to this. I recently talked in my video about the new method of doing affiliate marketing with faceless, short videos generated with AI tools like Google's Veo 3. In this case, you just create AI videos, but you yourself don't ever need to show up on the video. I will link that tutorial for you in the info icon and also below this video so you can check it later. If you start a blog, you can write detailed review posts, you can create comparison articles, or even build resource pages that list all your favorite tools in a specific category. People love these types of helpful, curated content pieces, and they convert really well for affiliate sales. The income potential here is significant because you're not limited by your own time. One well-written blog post with affiliate links can generate you income for months or even years. I have blog posts from 2018 that are still generating affiliate commissions today. And the next idea is print on demand. You can also call it POD. This is where you create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or notebooks, but you never have to handle inventory or shipping. And here is how it works. You upload your designs to platforms like Printify, and then someone orders a product with your design, they print it and ship it directly to the customer. You just collect the profit. The great news is that this process has become incredibly easy with AI tools. You can now build a complete online store in minutes using platforms like Store. I partnered with Everbee for this part of the video because it allows you to build a store from a simple text prompt and in just a few minutes. And then it integrates seamlessly with Printify, so you can have your print-on-demand products ready to sell almost instantly. And if you already have products on Etsy, you can easily migrate them to your own branded store. This gives you more control over your business and better profit margins. By the way, Everbee Store isn't just for physical and print-on-demand products. You can also use it to sell digital products, which was our previous income idea. And another advantage of Everbee Store is that they also offer you email marketing features inside the store. So you can contact your customers to offer them new products and nurture your relationships with them without paying for an external tool for sending emails. This store will also save you so much money on sales fees that other platforms actually enforce on you. So say, for example, if you migrate from Etsy, Etsy has about 6.5% transaction fee for each item that you sell. So just click on the first link in the description below, and for $1, you will have your store for a whole month. That's enough time to start making sales. The best part about print on demand for introverts is that it's completely hands-off once you set it up. You create the designs, upload them, and the system handles everything else. No customer service calls, no shipping headaches, no inventory management. And the next idea is monetizing a blog through display ads and sponsored content. This is another area where I have personal experience, and it's perfect for introverts who prefer writing over being on camera. Once you build a blog with consistent traffic, you can apply to ad networks like Mediavine or Raptive. Mediavine now has a program for newer sites that get accepted with just 1,000 monthly sessions. I'll drop a link to this program below, so you will install their free Grow plugin and you can wait for it to collect data about your traffic for about 30 days. And you can apply at any time once you get the minimum traffic required by Mediavine. Raptive used to have a very high requirement of 100,000 monthly page views, but they recently dropped this to just 25,000 monthly page views. So many bloggers can now get accepted to this premium ad network much sooner. These companies place ads on your website and you earn money based on how many people view these ads. The more traffic you have, the more you can earn. What makes this particularly passive is that once your blog posts start ranking in Google search results or even on Pinterest, they can bring in traffic for years without you having to do anything else. I have blog posts that I wrote 3 years ago that still bring in hundreds of visitors every month. But the key to success with blog ad revenue is consistency and patience. You will need to publish helpful, searched, optimized content regularly, and it typically takes between 6 and 12 months to build enough traffic to get accepted into these premium ad networks. But once you're in, it's truly passive income. You can write about literally anything: home organization, personal finance, cooking, travel, productivity. There is an audience for every topic. The important thing is to pick a niche where you're genuinely interested in, because you will be writing about it a lot. And I always recommend beginners to focus on Pinterest as a free traffic source from the beginning, because usually you can start getting traction there much faster than on Google. Of course, it depends on your niche, because some niches like home decor, food, beauty, fashion, art, they do extremely well on Pinterest. So if you start a blog in one of these niches, you're definitely in the right place to learn more about Pinterest marketing on this channel. I have a video talking about Pinterest SEO. I'll link it for you up there and also below this video. And if you want to dive deeper into this topic, I also have a free on-demand workshop. I'll link it for you in the description below. Now, the next idea is selling templates. You might think this sounds similar to digital products, but templates are specifically about giving people ready-to-use systems and frameworks. Think about Notion templates for productivity or ClickUp templates for project management. social media templates for content creators, or even spreadsheet templates for budgeting and business planning. People love templates because they save time and they give them a professional starting point. What's great about templates is that you're essentially packaging your own systems and processes. If you've created a great system for organizing your life or work, other people will pay for that system. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a solution that's already proven to work. You can create templates in tools that you probably already use, something like Google Sheets, Canva, Notion, or ClickUp. And with templates, since you will be selling your organizational systems, this actually feels very natural for introverts, who I think tend to be good at creating efficient processes. The profit margins are excellent here as well because templates are digital products essentially with no ongoing costs. Create once, sell many times. And because templates solve specific problems, people are willing to pay good money for them. I've seen simple Notion templates sell for $20 to $50 each. And the next idea is something that's becoming more valuable every day as AI content floods the internet. Curated, human-verified resource lists and recommendations. Here is what I mean by this. As artificial intelligence creates more and more content, people are starting to crave human curation and genuine recommendations. They want to know that a real person has actually tested and verified that something works. You can create subscription-based services where you regularly share curated lists of tools, resources, courses, or opportunities in your area of expertise. For example, if you're into productivity, you could create a monthly newsletter that features the best productivity tools that you've actually tested that month. Or you could create comprehensive resource guides for specific topics, like the complete guide to remote work tools, like all human tested, or 50 Pinterest tools that actually work, verified by real users. People will pay premium prices for this kind of curated, trustworthy information. This works particularly well for introverts because it plays to our strengths of deep research and thoughtful analysis. You're not selling hype or quick fixes. You're selling here carefully researched, genuine recommendations based on your real experience. You can monetize this through one-time purchases, monthly subscriptions, or even affiliate commissions from the tools that you recommended. Your goal here is to position yourself as the trusted curator who does the research so that your audience doesn't have to. And the next idea is selling AI prompt packs. This is a brand new opportunity that didn't exist even, say, 2 years ago, but it's growing incredibly fast. As more people start using AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude and other AI platforms, they're realizing that the quality of their results depends heavily on the quality of their prompts. Most people struggle to write effective prompts that get them the results that they want. This is where you come in, and you can create collections of high-quality tested prompts for specific use cases and sell them as digital products. For example, you could create 50 blog post prompts for small business owners, or Pinterest pin description prompts that convert, or email subject line prompts for course creators. The beauty of this business model is that you can create these prompt packs based on your own experience and your expertise. If you figured out how to get great results from AI tools in your area of knowledge, then other people will pay for those proven prompts. You can sell them on marketplaces like PromptBase or on platforms like Gumroad and Etsy. The profit margins, again, are incredible because prompts are just text files, no design work required, no complex creation process. You just write the prompts, package them into a PDF or a text file, and you sell unlimited copies. What makes this perfect for introverts is that it's purely about the quality of your thinking and writing. You don't need to be on camera, you don't need to do sales calls. You just need to be good at crafting effective prompts that get results. Now, I've just realized that there is one more great income idea. It's actually a completely different approach that involves leveraging AI to create multiple income streams simultaneously. It's more advanced than what we covered today, but the potential is incredible. If you're curious about how AI can help you build a one-person business, I created a video that breaks down exactly how this works, so you can check it out right there, and I'll see you in the next video.